Hi guys, on this side, and in this video we are going to find the reduction formula for sine. So basically we have integral sine nx, and we need to find the reduction formula for this expression. So first of all, let us write this as integral of sine n minus 1 x times sine of x dx, right? We just take one term out and multiply them. Note n greater than equal to 2. You'll see why. So we have this, and now we can use integration by parts. Fine. So what is integration by parts? Integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus integral of v du. So we'll take this as dv, take this as u. So this equals uv, which is sine n minus 1 x times v is what? V is basically integral of this. So that which is sine x dx, integral of sine x dx is minus cos x. Fine. And now we just need to find this part. So that is minus integral of what is v? V is minus cos x times, and what is du? Du is basically the derivative of this part. So what we do is n minus 1 sine n minus 2 x times the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. So this equals sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 integral of sine n minus 2 x cos square x dx. I think this is fine. So what I'll do is, as we know, cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x, sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 integral of sine n minus 2 x times 1 minus sine square x dx. So let us call this as in is equal to this. So we get is minus sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 integral of sine n minus 2 x, and again minus n minus 1 integral of sine nx dx. So this portion comes here, and this is as it is. Fine. So what we got is in is equal to minus sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 times n minus 2 minus n minus 1 in, right? So we can just take this on the left hand side to get in plus n minus 1 in is equal to minus sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2, which is n I n. So this is a multiplier, this is a subscript. So it's equal to minus sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2. Finally, by this we get I n is equal to minus 1 over n sine n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 over n I n minus 2. So yeah, this is your reduction formula, and as we stated earlier, I n is equal to integral sine to the power n x dx. So yeah, we're done by this, and okay, so yeah, I'm done. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Want, you can subscribe, and if you want more reduction formulas and more solutions, share, subscribe, comment down below, whatever you want.